And so he did a new model, and it says that 100,000 sometime in 2023, 2024, around the halving, which is kind of January, February.
Hedge fund veteran Mark Yusko predicts Bitcoin will replace gold, unveiled massive BTC price targets. In a new interview with Stansberry Research, veteran hedge fund manager Mark Yusko of Morgan Creek Digital predicts that China will be the home of the next world reserve currency, but Bitcoin will replace it sooner after.
Is the only money that exists in the world, gold. Right? Everything else is credit. Everything else is a currency. Currency is backed by debt. Every central bank in the world has gold. Some of them have less than they used to, because as Dylan said, they moved off the gold standard and went to a fiat standard where they could devalue the currency faster because they had too much debt. But where is the gold going? It's going to China, which I believe will be the next global reserve currency. Eventually it'll be Bitcoin. In the future, Bitcoin wins because it is an asset that exists in the absence of a liability, which is what the definition of money is.
Yusko said, BTC is on the track to replace gold, largely due to its superior diversibility and probability. Based on the monetary value of gold, he set the price target of roughly 250,000 BTC in the long run.
And so it is superior to gold. Like if I had a bar of gold and I wanted to split it 3 ways, I couldn't bang it on the table and give you each a third. Too hard to do. And I couldn't stuff it in my computer and send it to you. But if I wanted to send you Bitcoin, I just punch a couple buttons and boom, I could divide a Bitcoin into 3 pieces and send you both a third. Easy. So it does have advantages in being more portable and more divisible than gold. So I think it will eventually replace gold. 5 trillion monetary value of gold roughly equals $250,000 price per Bitcoin. Now, that won't happen tomorrow, but over time it's going to happen.